Good day to you all, dear ones. We appreciate you sharing this experience with us. Today we wish to speak of your day, the time period you have created, blessed by the sun and the moon. But it is more the day which we wish to discuss with you. Since the chronology of the experience you are participating in is a major part of your day, we wish you to think less of it. Granted, there will always be times, pun intended, where it is convenient in which to arrange meetings. Those have value, but the value lies not in the times, but in the connections, in the meeting, in the events and happenings that occur then. As you experience your day, focus it on the things that you wish to do. Of course, prioritize, but try not to set aside specific times that you wish to do things, unless that is the best way for you to schedule the things you wish to do. Please do not make it a priority to let your day flow and not be as structured. A day which flows has many more opportunities to insert miracles and wonders and impulses for new growth and expansion within each of those days. Once you have decided to just do things, and not necessarily in any particular order unless that is dictated by your tasks, you will find that your day becomes lighter, that you no longer have to have meals at a certain time or have so much rushing and hurrying within your day. For those things which do not fit as you work through your priorities will wait for another day, and you will find that they are replaced by more personal joys for you, which will help raise your vibrational level to attract even more miracles and wonders throughout your day, should you be open to receiving them. While the same is true for your night, let your body dictate what you should do as far as eating and as far as sleeping. If you feel you should nap during the day, then please do so as long as you are able. You will find that rejuvenates you, and with the many energies which are accelerating and affecting your planet and impacting each of you individually, your body will require more rest as your cells and your very DNA adjust to these changes. This will not stop as the entire human race is accelerating towards the ascension and open contact, which will be a significant part of that. For your sleep periods, if you awaken in the night and feel like getting up, then please do so. You may always go back to sleep, but obviously in a time constraint reality, it may have consequences. You may not feel at your best later. We understand that. And please act accordingly in what you believe is best for you, because acting against your beliefs will not help you near as much. But if you are available to eat and sleep and connect when you choose to, as opposed to driven templates, you will find that you are much happier, you are much healthier. Your connections will increase in fulfillment and joy, and new ways of expansion shall be open to you. We understand this is not always possible for the entire society on which you depend on is structured according to your clock. But if you can mitigate that in any way possible, please do so. For, as you know, time is the illusion, and it is the events of the day, which need to flow naturally. If you are unable to work this in, so to speak, because of constraints, please seek ways to alter those responsibilities if you are able and believe that you can. Thank you for taking this time to view our message, and we wish you joy and fulfillment in your day and your night.